Hi ladies, I am back. Thank you for tuning in. I'm finally delivering the very highly requested video. I know it's taken me a while and I do apologize. I've just kind of been putting it off because in my last eyelash extension video, a lot of you made fun of my brows. And since I'm still in the process of fixing my brows, I didn't want to get on camera so up close and get more comments about my brows. So I was going to put it off until my eyebrows are completely fixed. But unfortunately, this is like the worst time to come on camera because they are not looking their best at the moment, and you'll see why later in the video. Just hang in there. I will update you guys on this crazy eyebrow journey that I've been on as soon as I can. But in this video, I hope to answer a lot of your guys' questions on my updated eyelash extension routine and how I clean my face properly with the eyelash extensions on, as well as how I remove them properly, and then how I clean the lashes to be able to reuse them over and over and over and over and over and over again. Because as I mentioned in past videos, if you know how to remove and clean them properly, then you can reuse them over 20 times. I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite current products that I'm constantly using, but I'm also going to give you guys some alternative options that you can get off of Amazon. Everything I'll be using will be linked in the description box below. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. Okay, I had to bring you guys a little closer. Let's talk about the lashes. Some of you actually recommended these, so I had to give them a try. These are the Lilac ST lash clusters, and they are so affordable, like $7 for, you know, a pack. And you guys, I kid you not, you can use these so many times. They're probably the best quality lash clusters I have ever used compared to Lashify, compared to just like ones I get off of Amazon. My favorite part about them is the band is so thin, which kind of freaked me out a bit. I was for sure that it was going to break really quickly, especially when I'm cleaning them over and over again, but no, I was wrong. They're so sturdy. I'm telling you, the best quality lash clusters I have ever used. They're so light and feathery. Actually, my favorite ones are the feather ones, but the ones that I'll be using today are the midnight ones. And they're a little more wispy. I mean, I can just sit here and rave about these lashes all day long. They are my absolute favorite. But another alternative that I used to love is from Amazon. These ones, let me show you guys. They look like this, and I personally always use sizes 16, 14, and 12. I will use the longer, which is 16 on the outer corners, and then 14 in the middle, and then the 12s in the inner corners. So let's talk about the glue, because I have been using some new glue. What a shocker. It's from Lilac ST. This is the Bond. This is the Crystal Coat. It just takes away any stickiness from the Bond and helps keep the lashes on a lot longer. So whenever I'm using these products now, I can go for 2 weeks with my extensions on without them budging, without them falling off, without them moving at all. So that's why I have been obsessed with my new updated technique. So I had to share with you guys. But some other alternatives are these. I used the Lashify Bond for the longest time. This lasted me like over 5 months. This one is really great. However, it is $25, and the Lilac ST one is only $15, and that one holds my lashes in place for a much longer time. Or you could also use the Falscara one. This one comes with a bond and a seal all in one. This one you can get at any drugstore or even Amazon. However, I don't like recommending this anymore because if you read the comments in my last video, a lot of people actually pointed this out as well, and I've noticed this too anytime I use this one. Like if you get any water on it at all, it leaves like a weird white film and looks kind of crusty and dusty. I just don't really like this one, but so many people do use this and love it. It's just never really worked that well for me. I like them to look super nice and fresh for as long as possible, so it's an option though. Let's get into the application. This is gonna go by really quickly. It always takes me under 10 minutes to apply these. First I'm gonna take my Bond. As you can see, it comes with a little mascara wand, and apply. Now when you're applying the Bond, you want to make sure you coat every single one of your natural lashes so that the extensions can have something to cling on. But you don't want to like clump them up and put way too much. There's no point for that. I'm trying to show you. just like that. It literally just looks like you added a coat of mascara. Then I'll be picking my lash cluster with my handy dandy tweezer. You definitely don't need a special tweezer for this. Any tweezer will work. And I've seen a lot of people add some of the bond onto the lash cluster as well before applying it to the already coated lashes, and I've never done that before. I don't see a point in doing that. I think coating the natural lashes is enough. Pull the lid up, get the lashes as close to the lash, apply the cluster, and pinch. Now you don't want to pinch too much. We will do the rest of the pinching towards the end. I'm going to pick up another one. Apply. You see how like the glue is so good, it acts like a magnet? I just need to get really close to it and it clicks, like it just bonds so quickly. And I'm going to pinch. Now we have another one. And pinch. The inner corner and pinch. Oh, look at that. Now that we got all of them on, I'm gonna go in with the tweezer again and just pinch them all, like a lot more aggressively. Make sure they're really stuck on there. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go in with one of these. I got this off of Amazon. This is not necessary, but I like it. You can also use a clean mascara wand and just brush through, make sure they're all nicely separated and fluffed up. Wow, you see how quick that was? And now I'm gonna add the seal. So this is just supposed to extend the lash wear. However, you can also just apply this every single day to keep them looking fresh. Do you see what a huge difference it makes? It makes my eyes look more open, it makes me look more awake and alive compared to this eye. I'm gonna quickly do the same thing to this eye. And there you have it, we're all done. The best part about this is you can use any lashes you like, any style, any length. It's all personal preference here. As long as you follow the technique I showed you guys, you will get absolutely beautiful results no matter what. And again, these will last me up to 2 weeks. This is the best eyelash hack I have found so far. You will be saving so much money with this. You will be saving your natural lashes from getting damaged. And anyone can do this in the comfort of your own home under 10 minutes. You just can't beat it. They're just as easy to remove as they are to apply. So it's been about 6 days since I had these lashes on. Let me get up close and show you guys. I mean, they look good still. You can tell they're not as fluffy anymore just because I wash my face every single night. I mean, I could technically still wear these for a few more days. However, I'm going to a wedding tomorrow, and then right after the wedding I'm going to be going camping with my family for a couple days, so I want them to look fresh and new. So I'm going to show you guys how I wash my face whenever I do have them on, and then I'm going to show you guys how to take them off properly and how to wash them, make them look brand new, and then reapply them. So I always use a face brush whenever I'm washing my face. I just applied some cleanser on here and just go to town. Scrub my face with this until I get all my makeup off. I do try to avoid the eyes as much as I can, but if I do get some face wash around the eyes or even water, don't worry too much about it. You'll see. Ooh, got some in my eye. I just keep rinsing the brush in water and just continue to wash until everything is nice and clean. No, I'm not gonna open this eye because it's gonna burn. I not burning. Whew. Okay. I know I said to try to avoid the ice, but obviously that didn't happen. I got some soap on the lashes. I got a lot of water on them, but that's okay. That's bound to happen. I'm gonna show you guys that they are still intact and perfectly fine. Okay, now excuse my weird looking face. I tried this new face self tanner, and it like made these spots way more apparent. Anyways, that's beside the point. Once I'm done washing my face, I go in with like a facial towelette, clean only around the eyes to make sure all the makeup is completely off. And I know my brows be looking busted because I'm trying to grow them all out. Like I want the fullest brow I can possibly achieve. So see how like they're growing? So now I'm completely done washing my face. I'm gonna go in with this kind of spoolie and brush my eyelashes. If you don't have one of these, you could just use the regular one, but I really like this one just because it does a little better job when it comes to these kind of lash extensions. Let me show you guys. Just brush them upwards and make sure, you know, they're nice and clean and fluffed up. You can tug and brush on them as hard as you want because they are not coming off. My face is all nice and clean, and look how nice the lashes still look after 6 days. So let me show you guys how I take them off. If I was to just tug on them like this, they are not gonna come off. I mean, I could try to pull as hard as possible, but I'm not trying to damage my natural lashes. So this is what I do. So these are the few different things you can use to remove the lashes. The micellar cleansing water is probably the most affordable. You can get it at any drugstore. This is the all-in-one waterproof one, or just any generic waterproof makeup remover will also work. The Lashify remover also works really well, or the Falscara remover. But my personal favorite and the easiest to use is this one. I will show you guys how I use this on one eye, and then I'll show you how you can use any of these on the other eye. It's basically the same technique, but this one just does the job a little quicker. I'm not gonna get too close to the camera because my brows. Everything from this company when it comes to lash extensions are just the best, top notch, and so affordable too. It comes with a wand like this. I'll apply it to my lashes. And what I really love about this remover, I don't feel anything on my eye, where the other ones, especially the Lashify one, my eye burns if I get anything in my eyeball. So anyway, now that, you know, I applied a little bit to my lashes, I can easily just, it melts away. That's it. And I'm going to take the comb side of this brush and just get out any excess glue that's left on the natural lash. That's it. But if you were to use any of the other alternative options that I shared with you guys, this is what I would do. I'm just gonna go in with the micellar water, took a clean mascara wand and getting a lot of it on it. Basically do the same thing like I did with the other eye, where I like to coat the lash as much as possible. Whew. And then you wait a few seconds and they're coming off. Super easy. Last one, and then do the same thing. Keep brushing your natural lashes to try to get off any excess glue. I'm going to take this facial wipe again and just wipe all of the remover off because it is kind of oily. I did not lose any natural lashes during this process. Alright, so these are the lashes I just removed. I apply some remover, and now you just want them to soak in the remover for a little bit just to get that glue to start coming off a little quicker. I think I applied a little too much remover, but you get the point. A little goes a long way. I use my nail. See, I'm pulling and tugging on it as hard as I can, and it is not breaking apart. The lashes are staying intact. As I said, the quality on these lash extensions are unbeatable. Now that I have all the glue off of the lash extensions, I'm just going to soak them in some warm water. And this just helps release the remover liquid off the lashes. I just keep them in here for about 10 minutes. Bath time is done. I'm just going to remove the lashes and put them on a cotton pad. And then I'm going to take another cotton pad and just dab them to make sure they're fully dry. And lastly, I'm going to use a clean spoolie to brush them again and fluff them up. And now they are ready to be reused. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions on how to maintain these lash extensions, let me know in the comments below. I will answer them in upcoming videos. I have other really fun lash extension videos coming soon. Believe it or not, there's so many different looks you can do with this once you got the basics down. I'm here to teach you guys how to save your money and do these hyped up beauty trends by yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye!